Origami Rabbit Step 1. To make this origami rabbit, start off with the color of pattern side down. Second step, you have to fold the paper in half to make a triangle. In the third and fourth step, open the paper back into a square and fold both sides to meet the crease in the center. Then, fold the right tip over to the left. Then now, fold the flap back up about 2/3 of the way. Then, tip the paper over onto the other side. See the dashed lines on the left. You need to cut on the line about 1/3 of the length. Then now, fold it in half. Since you made the cut, you can now fold the left ends up on both sides of the paper.
Welcome to Nellyville, we're all newborns. Get a